Hi, my name is Sarah, and this is my Project Zero for the CS50 Web Development course. So, the first specification. Your website should have at least 3 pages. So, right now we are at index.html, which is the main Google search page, and we also need one for image search and one for advanced search. So on the Google search page, there are two links in the upper right. One is to go to image search and the other is to go to the advanced search. And if we go to each of these pages, we have a link to go back to Google search. So if we go to image search, we also have that link on the upper right. Okay, specification 2. On the Google search page, the user should be able to type in a query. Okay, so we're on the Google search page right now, and we have that text box over here, and it should take you to the Google search results for that page. So if I were to type in cats and Google search, it will bring me to directly to the results for cat, right? For a given query. Like Google's own, the search bar should be centered with rounded corners, so it is in the center of the page, and our text field has rounded corners. The search button should also be centered and should be beneath the search bar. So as you can see, we have the search, Google search, and I'm feeling lucky buttons at the bottom, just like Google's own page. Specification 3. On the Google image search page, the user should be able to type in a query. So we're going to image search now, and we have to type in a query. So I can, over here, I'll put dogs, okay? And if we go to image search, it will bring us straight to the results for um, the Google search of dogs, right? And yeah, so it just shows the results for that page. And then if we go back, we can also go to advanced search. Okay, so specification 4. On Google's advanced search page, the user should be able to provide input for the following 4 fields. So we have all of these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, and none of these words, right? And then we also have the advanced search button, which has a blue background and white text. Okay, so it's consistent with Google's own CSS. We also have those rectangular fields, and we have this title over here. Let's do an example. So if I were to do cat, dog, any of these words, so we can also have pets in it, but we do not want fish. If I click on advanced search, it will bring us to the results for that given query. And then finally, we have to add the final component, which is I'm feeling lucky button. So if I were to, let's say I type in Harvard and then I click on I'm feeling lucky, it will bring us to harvard.edu, which is the first search result for that query, right? So it's going directly to the Harvard website. And I also have this redirect notice, which is just a security feature. And the last specification is that everything resembles Google's own aesthetics. And as you can see, it is pretty similar. We have this black buttons over here. We have these black hyperlinks, over here. And we have the similar CSS properties and features. So thanks for listening. And that concludes my project.